Sammy, are you sure it'll work?
Just take a photo, Sue! Okay, now let me see. Ooh, great! Let's upload it!
I don't know. You really think that everybody will believe that you're traveling?
Right. We totally need to take a photo of me by the ocean! You know, me thoughtfully watching the sunset.
But Sammy, we can't go to the ocean right now. We have a lot to do for the channel, and I have my studies.
I know. I hit a nerve, Sue. Oh, I want this photo so bad.
Don't be upset. I think we could do something. Come on.
Oh, okay!
Hi guys, today we're going to create an extremely realistic picture of a sunset on a beach using acrylic paint. Now set your paintbrushes to working mode.
So we will paint, huh? Then let me dress up for the occasion! That's better! PhD in arts and art critic, the great master Samuel is ready to do his job! Where do we start, Sue?
We're going to mix some colors, Monsieur Smarty Pants.
Got it!
The white paint will be the base. This way. 2. And 3. Now we'll add some yellow. There is no sunset or beach without it, right? Oop. Oop. Here we go. That will do.
Hey, orange is good for sunset too. And there's a blue one, you know, for the sky.
I couldn't agree more. This one goes right here and here. And we'll add the blue one here. Along with this mustardish color. Great.
Wow, Susie, these blobs look like candies! Ooh, now this one doesn't.
Sammy, you're so funny. Guys, we're gonna mix colors this way using a special painting knife, like this. It can be found in a painter's store, so you can ask your parents to get you one. This is what we've got, guys. Just look at all these wonderful colors. I love them. Now let me get my paintbrushes, and we'll see what picture we can make out of this beauty. Sammy, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm preparing the canvas, of course. Any great artist knows how to do that.
You're taking this craft pretty seriously, huh? But can you just buy one like I did? Guys, canvas is the most suitable option if you're painting with acrylics, but you can also use wood or really thick paper.
Sue, this painting is going to be the only ocean I can get in the nearest future, and it had better be the best!
Don't worry, it will be. We're going to use a really wide paintbrush first. Let's squeeze it carefully to get rid of the excess water.
Acrylics dry quickly, so we gotta work fast, Susan!
I know that, Sammy, and I can work really fast. Watch me. And we can slow down now. What do you say, Sammy?
Nice gradient. A through color palette. Not bad.
And it's just the beginning. Here comes the sun. Whoop. And now let's draw some beautiful clouds.
No!
Sammy, what's the matter?
How can you not know that any true painter should use a rag to clean the brushes between changing colors?
It must have slipped my mind. Thanks.
Oh, I haven't been this nervous since I painted the portrait of the goat of the king of Tibidaba.
Really? And how did that go?
That animal was constantly chewing my rag, so I had to wipe my paintbrushes with my own clothes.
Couldn't you use paper towels instead?
Actually, that's very clever. Guys, if any chewing animal will ever deprive you of the rag, now you know what to do. Substitute it with paper towels.
Oh, Sammy.
Hey, Susie, wanna see a magic trick?
Well, sure. Oh, the water got really dirty from the paint.
Leave it to the greatest slime magician in the whole world! Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity!
Wow, Sammy, that was amazing. I wonder why you don't use your magic to keep our house clean. Wait a second. Where did this cliff come from?
That was actually my magic trick, Sue! Do you like it?
Well, of course. And thanks to you, we can finally start painting the ocean.
Hold it! What are you doing? You said you liked it!
The masking tape will help us draw the horizon. It is perfect in our case, because it won't pull off the paints from the canvas.
Ah, I see. Now we're gonna blend bluish colors. Awesome!
And here comes yellow again. This will be a piece of a perfect sandy beach. Oh, I will never stop being amazed by the beauty of nature. It's like every color is thought through in advance.
Yeah, nature doesn't need the color spectrum, huh?
Do you know how to use it, Sammy? I mean, how would you choose a perfect combination of matching colors?
Huh, that's easy. You should either choose the colors from the spectrum, which are opposite to one another, or those that can form a triangle, or those that make a rectangle. See?
Wow, that was impressive. Do you agree, guys? Then give our Sammy a lot of thumbs ups. In the meantime, we're done with the background here. Just check out how amazing it turned out. Let's take the masking tape off the picture. Carefully, this way. And now we can start working on the detailing part. Stay tuned.
Susie, did you know that people who draw pictures like ours are called marine artists?
Oh yeah, and actually, I really enjoy the works of a very famous one of them, Claude Monet. You should know him. He has that outstanding series of paintings on water lilies.
Are they considered being marine paintings too? I mean, there's hardly a sea on them.
You're right. Monet's water lilies are more like a seascape, and marine art usually depicts ships, beach scenes, raging seas, and so on. I didn't plan to draw a ship on our picture, but you actually gave me a nice idea. Let's paint a beautiful wave breaking on the beach. Here we go.
Wow, it looks like the sun shines its last evening beams on the clear water. Sue, you're a bit dirty, you know.
That's okay, Sam. There is no great painter who hasn't gotten their hands dirty from paints, right?
You're a real philosopher. I want to make some brushstrokes too. I'm gonna show you how it's done, Susie. This way, few more here. Okay, you know what? I can't create art when somebody's looking.
All right.
That's better. Yep, I'm done, Susie.
Let's see. Wow, that's amazing, Sammy, and it was really fast. Do you agree, guys? This defo deserves a ton of thumbs ups. Let me just work on a couple of details, and the picture will be ready.
Ooh, then I'd better go change into something more suitable for a beach vacation. I'm gonna have my photos. Yippee!
That slime is so excited, isn't he?
I think I got everything. Are you ready for the shoot?
I'm all set. These don't look too bad. Which one do you want to post?
Why don't we just take a few pictures of it and write a cool post about how we made it?
I like that idea. And you guys, did you like our painting? With all these colors and textures, doesn't it look real? Subscribe to our channel if you like painting just as much as we do, and share this video with your friends.
Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss our new creative crafts. See you soon!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!